The people that put this together were Darren Dembrow, John Derry, Byron Knox, and myself. But we were in the background. The real person that put everything together was Stacey Deary. So Stacey. We're going to do a toast to Abie, but one quick note just from my personal perspective was one thing Abie did, I think, for all of the gymnasts in Southern Connecticut, that when you went through the program, he was always making you feel good and being optimistic. And the very first time I met Abie was 46 years ago. And when I walked into the gym, I was 17 years old, and I had a scar on my face from an accident. And I already looked really young, like 12 years old. And Abie said, "Hey, how'd you get that scar on your face?" And I told him. And he said, "You know what? You're lucky, because you look like you're 5 years old without that, so you should be proud." And I walked away feeling lucky. Because that's what Abie did. He always made us feel better. And made us better gymnasts and better people.